friends, it's Beautifull with new video, with new hairstyle. Today it's finger waves. I made them with such clips, and it's look pretty beautiful hairstyle from 2030s. Finger waves, it's from 20s, but it's like another little bit variation, because we have volume here. It's more 30s, because 20s was without volume. It's make pretty fast. Let's start. So foam rollers 22mm overnight, as always. Then I'm created the side parting. For this hairstyle you also need the duckbill clips to create the wave. Then I separate my hair behind my ear, and with this part at the front we will create the wave. To create the wave you need to help yourself with fingers and with the duckbill clips. First duckbill clip will be going from the front to the back, second from the back to the front, and so on. When the wave is ready, we add the crocodile clips, I guess. In the middle of hair wave, I noticed that the end of hair wave will be fixing in hair bun, but I didn't do it, so I started to create the hair bun, and after that I will continue to create the wave. And a lot of hairspray. Your hair needs to come like a cord, so you need to use a lot of hairspray. and wait when hairspray will dry out, and after that remove the hair clips. That's all. And the hairstyle is ready, and it's really beautiful result, very fast beautiful result. Hope you like this video, this hairstyle, and you will try it. Don't forget to like and comment below. Bye bye.